Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 2.1, question number 1. Write the next three natural numbers after 10,999. Okay, how will we get next three natural numbers? That means if we add 1 to this number, we will get the next number, right? That means if we solve the problem like this, the next number will be 10,900. Here you write, I am writing 10,999. We are adding number 1. That means the next number will be 11,000, right? Write the next three natural numbers after 10,999. The next three natural numbers after 10,999 are 11,000. After that 11,001 and 11,002, right? The question is write next three natural numbers after 10,999. That means the next number, if we add 1, we are getting 11,000. Therefore, the next three natural numbers after 10,999 are 11,000, 11,001 and 11,002. This is the solution of question number 1.